So yeah, I'm looking at this Alolan Raichu. Timid means that it's going to decrease its attack by 10% and raise the speed by 10%. So my idea would be don't use anything that's physical attack based. But the thing is, it has fly, you know, which I would like to keep as a move. So I guess we're going to keep fly. And because of the ability, I really want to try to use it in my team. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to try to raise the attack a little bit. But I mean, look at the defense. It's so bad. So probably attack defense is really what I want to raise on it. And, you know, I want to do a weather team where it rains. And you also use electric terrain on top of the rain. So I'm not sure exactly what I would do with it. But, you know, speed is through the roof. So it would be able to go first. So I'm not really sure. I'll have to think about it. But again, I love the idea of a Alolan Raichu with fly. Was really something cool to make. And there was this Pikachu you could get through Mystery Gift in, I think, Gen 5 or 4 or something. And that's where I got it. So, I mean, really, we're just going to go grind some money for now. Because I'm really low on supplements. But I kind of put some Pokemon in my party to consider what level I'm going to, you know, be looking at. And, like, all these other kind of things to do with the Pokemon. So, I mean, what is... It cannot be poisoned. You know, that's pretty big. I do like its ability. That's pretty cool. It's an impish nature. I don't know. I'm going to have to look it up here. One day I'll remember what all these are. I won't even have to think about it. Boosts a Pokemon's defense while lowering special attack. So let's look at the stat spread 1 second here. So, I mean, its special attack is down by like 2 points then. So I would probably just focus on attack then. And I do like the idea of raising defense. So I think it is a good nature. We'll probably keep it. And I'm not sure exactly what the heck I would do with it. Probably not exactly what it's got for a moveset. I got it from the Sinnoh region. Okay. So anyway, let's just go ahead and do a little bit of grinding here. We'll just do the one tournament that's at the battle, what do I want to say, Coliseum, not the battle tower, but the battle stadium. I guess that's the word I want. And you can unlock, you know, a new trainer to battle alongside with you on it, which I like. So I'm just kind of unlocking all of them as a completionist, basically, in the game. And wanting to have all of them. So I think it's kind of this fun little thing I didn't even know about the first time I played through the game. I never got all the way through the expansion enough that you can actually get the Wyndham Stadium tournament thing, where you have an ally face it with you. I wish that you could do it online with a friend. And that's one thing I loved about, for example, Gen 4, my friend and I used our link cable. And we connected together, and we battled together in there. And one of my favorite memories is actually that I had Suminero, which Oneirogen means causing you to have dreams, or dream-inducing, basically, and Sumo as in sumo wrestler. So Suminero, the Snorlax, had, is it Razor Claw? That lets you go first sometimes. So I would use Giga Impact, and sometimes it'd be like, you know, you get to go first. And it'd be pretty much, hold on, we gotta fuck it off. You know, we're just wasting our turn. It was pretty funny in the battle. You'd have to be there. It's probably not as funny me telling. So yeah, the Galarian Star Tournament, that's what it's called. And, you know, basically the plan is to, like, battle one time with every one of these guys. and unlock every one of them. Just for shiggles, really. I don't think you really get anything for doing it, so. But yeah, we're gonna grind money with our cash farming Meowth. Yeah, I might switch in some better Pokemon than that, I guess. That was pretty tough. But I have to go eat for now, and we'll get back to it later.